Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once struggled. But the one who never gives up wins. English is a beautiful language. It is a language of the world. It connects people from different countries. It gives you confidence. It opens the door to success. But many people are afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if I forget words? Stop. Stop thinking too much. Stop doubting yourself. Stop fearing mistakes. Because mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn. Every time you make a mistake, you get better. The only real mistake is to stay silent. So today, let's make a promise. We will speak, we will try, and we will never give up. Welcome, my dear friends. Today I am here to tell you, you can speak English. Yes, you can. It does not matter where you are from. It does not matter how old you are. It does not matter if you are a beginner. What matters is your desire, your effort, and your practice. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It is about being confident. It is about expressing yourself. It is about communicating. And I am here to help you with that. So, are you ready? Ready to learn? Ready to grow? Ready to speak? Then, let's begin this journey together. How to speak English with confidence. Speaking English is not magic. It is not difficult. It is a simple process. Follow these steps, and you will speak fluently. Tabum. Think in English. Many people think in their native language and then translate into English. This is slow and difficult. Instead, train your brain to think in English. How? Start with small things. Look around you. See a tree? Say, this is a tree. See the sky? Say, the sky is blue. When you are hungry, say, I am hungry. Step by step, your brain will learn to think in English. Speak. Every day, speaking is like swimming. You cannot learn swimming by reading a book. You must jump into the water. The same is with English. You must speak. Talk to yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and speak. Describe your day. Tell a story. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Find a speaking partner, a friend, a family member, or even online groups. Speak with them. The more you speak, the better you get. Listen. More, speak more. Listening is the first step to speaking. Listen to English every day. Listen to English podcasts, watch English movies, or follow English YouTube channels. When you listen, you learn new words, correct pronunciation, and natural sentence structures. Then repeat what you hear. Imitate native speakers. Copy their tone and style. Speak the same sentence aloud. This will help you sound more natural. Learn simple sentences. First, don't try to speak long, complex sentences in the beginning. Start with short and simple sentences. For example, I like apples. She is my friend. I am learning English. When you feel comfortable, then make longer sentences. But first, focus on simple ones. Don't fear mistakes. Fear is your biggest enemy. Fear stops you from speaking. Fear makes you nervous. But remember, even native speakers make mistakes. If a baby is learning to walk, does he fall? Yes. But does he stop? No. He gets up and tries again. You must do the same. Speak, make mistakes, learn, and improve. Build your vocabulary. Words are the building blocks of language. Learn new words every day. But don't just memorize. Use them. Write them in a notebook. Make sentences with them. Speak them in conversation. The more you use a word, the more you remember it. Start with basic words. Then, slowly learn advanced words. Step by step, your vocabulary will grow. Use English in daily life. Make English a part of your life. Change your phone settings to English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to your pet in English. Think in English while cooking. The more you use English in real life, the faster you learn. Read and write. Daily. Reading helps you learn sentence structure. Writing helps you remember new words. Read English books, newspapers, or blogs. Start with children's books. They have simple words. Then, move to harder books. Write a daily journal in English. Write about your day. Write your thoughts. This improves your writing and speaking skills. Practice with English songs and movies. Songs and movies make learning fun. Listen to English songs, read the lyrics, and sing along. Watch movies with subtitles. Repeat dialogues. Copy the way actors speak. This improves your pronunciation and makes learning enjoyable. 10. Be patient and keep going. Learning English is like growing a plant. You cannot see the results in one day. But if you water the plant daily, one day it will become a big tree. The same with English. Practice every day. One day you will speak fluently. Just don't give up. Final words. You can do it. My dear friends, English is not difficult. Speaking English is not impossible. The only thing stopping you is fear. Remove fear, and you will succeed. Believe in yourself. Take one step at a time. Speak every day. Make mistakes. Learn. Grow. And one day, you will stand with confidence and speak English fluently. You are smart. You are capable. You are strong. And you can do it. So from today, promise yourself, I will speak English. I will learn. I will never give up. Now go and speak.